The first dish that we're going to do for the Cook and Dine is a classic prawn cocktail. So being realistic, in it we have got really some little bit of baby jam just shifting at it, which we've pre-done, beautifully done on the day, so it's ready to go. We've got a lovely Mario Rose sauce. The only difference is it's got a little bit of Pernod in it, so it's beautiful, ready to go. We have got a little bit of diced pepper, red onion, and cucumber, and then our baby jam and lemon. And this is all ready to go. So really, it's as soon as it arrives into the house, you put it straight into the fridge, and then take it out about 10 minutes. So it comes sort of up to room temperature, so it's not too cold being served, and it is unbelievably simple. So all we're gonna do is, and the key thing about all this Cook and Dine is the simplicity at home. It takes the stress out of cooking at home, really, and especially for the Christmas period. So all it is, your lettuce is in there, and it's been lovely, lightly done. In it goes, we'll put it all in there, great. In it goes. In with the prawns, beautifully done, in it goes. And just enough for each portion in each tub, lovely, perfect. And then we're just going to get our baby jam again down the side, and your lemon on the side like this here. And we are going to put the peppers, cucumber all on top. And this is unbelievably simple, fresh as they come. And to me, this is what it's all about. Taking the stress out of Christmas, you're straight in there, and even when you decide to do this here, you'll understand why everybody's doing it.